SB19 releases video together 4 days before the demo release. For sure, these days have been hectic for SB19 with the preparation for their World Tour kickoff concert at the Philippine Arena, their biggest concert up to date. Kaya naman nakakatuwa at nakakakilig na makita silang kumpleto at eto nagsasaya para sa isang endorsement video.
Ching, ching, snack a ching. 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 At McDo, snack a ching, ching, chillin'.
And yes, 4 days na lang bago pa man ang release ng Damn single at nakaka-excite na nakakakaba din. With their concept photos, mapapaisip ka talaga kung ano ang flow ng kanta, ang genre nito, and of course, the lyrics at mensahe nito. And of course, kung ano ang music video nito. Knowing SB19, given na this will be a high-quality music video, pero siguradong gugulatin pa din tayo nito. Kaya 18 maghanda and let's make sure that Damn will get the attention and recognition it deserves.